Hey guys, John here with Billing Seafood guys. Happy Halloween! We're back for another session of Q&A. As always, please send in your questions. We want to hear what you guys want to know, what you guys want us to answer. We do it on a weekly basis. We give you a shout out. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll get all of these videos. Okay, here we go.
Okay, today we have a question from Chris, and he was wondering what your tips are for meal prepping with seafood.
Okay, this is a really good question. So meal prepping with seafood. Okay, before we get started, am I an expert on meal prepping with seafood? Absolutely not. But I'm super interested in this, and I've been really trying to learn how to incorporate seafood in my meal prep. So personally, I've been meal prepping quite a bit for the last maybe 4 or 5 months on a weekly basis, and I've really tried to incorporate seafood in this. So here are some of the things I've learned, a few tips for you guys if you want to incorporate seafood. I was really just like confused because I did not know how you could like have a really good seafood meal prep that could last you for the whole week. So a couple things that I've done so far. Salmon salad. So salmon salad, and it's actually in our YouTube series. Salmon salad is great. So like for meal prep, some of the stuff you can do is cook up like 2 or 3 salmon fillets that are between like a pound, 1.3 pounds. And you know, if you're prepping for yourself or others, you know, you work with that size. But you cook that salmon really basic with your olive oil, maybe just your salt and pepper to keep it real simple. And then you shred that stuff up, and really you're adding Greek yogurt and a few other things like lemon juice, some green onion, and a few other items in there that's in our video to make a really good salad. And you know, you can add different stuff in there, depends on how healthy you want to keep this with your meal prep. But holy cow, if you're talking like protein, fat, I mean, wow, like the salmon salad, you know, a nice clean salmon salad is incredible. So depending on what you're trying to do with your meal prep, that's a really good option. And that's something that you can just eat. You can put on a salad, you can put on sandwiches, English muffins, wraps. So that's a really versatile one that I had pretty good success with. Another one that I just made last week was actually with some shrimp. It really ended up kind of being like a shrimp fried rice. So really all I did was saute up the shrimp in olive oil and with some seasoning and some sea salt. And from there, just added in some jasmine rice and a bunch of veggies. So those are two different meal prep options that are actually like really good and can last throughout the whole week. You know, with seafood, for the longest time, I was really hesitant about leftovers, and it was really hard for me. I didn't think seafood tasted as good after it had been sitting in the fridge. So both of those options I just talked about are great when you heat them back up. You know, but some things you can do with leftovers that can also go into meal prep are making like salmon cakes, making crab cakes. Those are a few good options. But for some good influence, I highly recommend everybody go check out Kelly Murray on Instagram. We work with Kelly. She's kind of one of our influencers, and we send her seafood. And as you guys know, Kelly is an insane CrossFit athlete, and diet and watching calorie intake and all that stuff is very, very big to her and her training. So check out her highlights on her Instagram page, Billing Seafood Guys. She's made some really cool dishes, and she's also incorporated the air fryer. So again, that's another great option for you guys, incorporating that air fryer in your meal prep. She had done some stuff with rockfish. I've messed around with it with shrimp. So I'm grateful for this question because we're gonna keep going off of this, and we'll create some more videos. I'll do some more research, but those are some of my tips right now for meal prepping with seafood. But we're gonna get some more really good information for you guys. So thank you, Seafood Q&A. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, get updates on this. Please share with your friends, and thank you guys.